Hi, today we will learn how to create RecyclerView as a staggered grid view. So let's start. Open your Android Studio. Now click on Files, New, New Project. Select Empty Activity. Click on Next. Name of your application, RecyclerView as staggered grid and click on Finish. Now we are going to add dependencies, RecyclerView dependencies. So click on build.riddle. Here we add dependency implementation Android X dot recycler view semicolon recycler view 1.1.0. Now we are going to add other dependency. Recycler view collection RC01. Now click on sync now. Now click on RES layout activity main.xml. Here we use relative layout. Relative layout and add recycler view. Recycler view width match parent, layout height match parent, ID recycler view and close. Now create item layout. Click on Drival, new Drival resource file. Here we use item layout. Here we use shape, stroke, width 2 dp, color and close. Now we create one XML file. Click on layout, new layout resource file, item and click on OK. Here we use relative layout. Here width, wrap contain, height, wrap contain. We add some padding, 6 dp. Now insert one image view. Layout width match parent, layout height match parent, ID, image, view. Now scale type fit XY. Now click on main activity. Here we create one array list of type integer. Images equals to new array list images dot add r.rival.android. Here I already saved some images. Images dot add r.rival.java. Images dot add r.rival.php. Similarly, we add other images. Now RecyclerView equals to find view by id r.id.recyclerView. Now GridView manager equals to new. Here we pass column, comma, linear layout manager dot vertical. Here you can use horizontal if you want to create horizontal grid view. Now RecyclerView dot set layout manager. Here we pass staggered layout manager. We create one Java class, helper adapter. This class extends adapter RecyclerView.adapter. Now we implement methods. We create context array list images. Then we create one constructor, select both. Now we create one class, public class view holder class. This class extends RecyclerView.viewHolder. Here we pass image view equals to item view dot find by view id r dot id dot image view. Now we use view equals to layout inflator dot from parent dot get context dot inflate r dot layout dot item comma parent comma false. If we create view holder class equals to new view holder class and pass view. and here we return view holder class. Now here we create view holder class. View holder class equals to view holder class holder holder dot image view sorry view holder class dot image view dot set resources images dot get position. Now view holder class dot item view dot set on click listener new view set on click listener. Here we create one toast message item selected toast dot length long dot show, and here we return images dot size. Now click on main activity. Here we create helper adapter equals to new helper adapter get application context comma images and RecyclerView dot set adapter. Here we pass helper adapter. Now run the project. Here you can see the recycler view as staggered grid view. When I click on Android, item selected, messages display. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.